Rising high above the city of Cologne or Köln stands one of Europe's most iconic landmarks, Cologne Cathedral or Kölner Dom. This Gothic masterpiece is more than just a church. It's the symbol of faith, resilience, and centuries of history. Construction of the cathedral began in 1248, inspired by the grand cathedrals of France. Its purpose was ambitious: to house the relics of the three wise men, which had been brought to Cologne and turned the city into one of the most important pilgrimage sites in medieval Europe. But building something so vast took time, a very long time. After centuries of pauses and interruptions, the cathedral was finally completed in 1880, more than 600 years after construction began. Standing at over 157 meters, the cathedral dominates Cologne's skyline and has survived wars, destructions, and rebuilding. Even during World War II, when much of the city was reduced to rubble, the cathedral remained standing, scarred but unbroken. At its feet, another tradition slowly took shape: the Christmas market. Christmas markets in Germany date back to the Middle Ages, originally offering warmth, food, and handmade goods during the long winter season. In Cologne, these markets naturally grew around the cathedral, where pilgrims, traders, and locals gathered during Advent. What began as a modest winter market has evolved into one of the most famous Christmas markets in Europe, blending history, faith, and festive tradition beneath the towering presence of the dome.
Hello. So today we are at the Köln. So it is in German it is Köln, and English it is the Cologne. Köln is a very big city in Germany, and right now I'm in front of the Cologne Cathedral, and here the Christmas market of Köln starts. It stretches quite a while. Basically it starts from here and stretches kilometers long. So it's today. So basically, right now there is a vacation going on, and there is a huge crowd. It's really many people out here, as you can see also in my video ahead. But there are many people, huge crowd. The atmosphere is absolutely amazing. It's very, very beautiful. And behind you can see this is the beautiful Köln Cathedral, absolutely very beautiful. And then the idea is that we'll go inside the Christmas market and have some fun. So let's go.
Today, the Cologne Christmas market is a magical blend of old and new, where centuries-old traditions meet modern holiday celebration. As you step into the market, the air fills with the scent of roasted chestnuts, gingerbread, and mulled wine, known locally as Glühwein. Wooden stalls glow with warm lights, decorated with garlands, stars, and festive ornaments, creating a cozy atmosphere even on the coldest winter nights. The market at Cologne Cathedral is the most famous, centered around a massive Christmas tree with the cathedral itself illuminated behind it. A breathtaking sight, especially after sunset. But Cologne doesn't stop there. Across the city, multiple Christmas markets each offer their own unique theme, from medieval-style markets to cozy village settings along the Rhine. Visitors can browse handcrafted gifts, wooden toys, ornaments, candles, and local artwork, many made by artisans who return year after year. Traditional foods like bratwurst, Reibekuchen, and freshly baked waffles are everywhere, offering comfort and warmth with every bite. What makes Cologne's Christmas market special isn't just the food or decoration, it's the atmosphere. Locals and visitors gather around standing tables, sharing drinks, laughter, and conversation. The sound of Christmas music mixes with church bells and joyful chatter, creating a sense of togetherness that feels timeless. Despite the crowds, there is a feeling of calm and connection, a reminder of what the season is truly about. Under the watchful presence of the cathedral, past and present come together, turning Cologne into a living Christmas postcard. Whether you are here for the history, the food, or simply the magic of the season, the Cologne Christmas Market offers an unforgettable winter experience, one that stays with you long after the lights fade and the stalls close. As the lights glow brighter and winter air fills with music and laughter, Cologne's Christmas market reminds us why this season feels so special. Beneath the towering cathedral, tradition and togetherness come alive, turning simple moments into lasting memories. If you enjoyed walking through Cologne with me, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this journey. Until next time, maybe your travels be festive, warm, and full of wonder. See you. Bye bye.